Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to explore one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. We're going to show you stunning views of a jungle beach that will take your breath away. Get ready to experience the beauty of nature like never before. As we soar above the lush green canopy of this jungle, you'll be amazed by the sheer size and majesty of the trees below us. The sunlight filtering through the leaves creates a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow, making the entire scene feel like something out of a dream. As we descend towards the beach, you can see the waves gently lapping against the shore, creating a soothing soundtrack that complements the peaceful environment perfectly. The sand here is soft and powdery, and the water is crystal clear, making it the perfect spot for a day of relaxation. The beachfront is lined with tall palm trees that sway gently in the breeze. The contrast of the blue sky against the green leaves and the golden sand is simply breathtaking. It's no wonder that this is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. As we pan across the beach, you can see people enjoying various activities, from sunbathing to playing beach volleyball. The water here is also great for swimming, and there are plenty of water sports on offer, including snorkeling and kayaking. But it's not just the beach that's beautiful. The jungle that surrounds it is also home to an incredible array of flora and fauna. From colorful birds to playful monkeys, there's always something to see and discover here. It's a true paradise for nature lovers. One of the highlights of the jungle is a hidden waterfall, tucked away deep in the foliage. The sound of the water cascading down the rocks is incredibly soothing, and the pool at the base of the waterfall is the perfect place to cool off after a hot day at the beach. If you're feeling adventurous, there are also plenty of hiking trails through the jungle that offer a different perspective on this incredible environment. The trails are well maintained and marked, and there are plenty of opportunities to stop and take in the scenery along the way. As the day draws to a close, the sun begins to set over the beach, casting a golden glow over the entire scene. It's a moment of pure magic, and one that you won't soon forget. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the jungle beach. We hope that you've enjoyed the stunning views and that it's inspired you to plan your own visit to this incredible destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Until next time.